In this video, I will show you how to connect an Orbi router to Xfinity Modem. So first of all, you would like to verify your Xfinity equipment. First, just determine whether you have a modem only or a modem plus a router combined, which is Xfinity Gateway. This will affect if you want to enable the bridge mode later. Then the first thing that you would like to do is basically turning off your modem. You'll have to unplug the Xfinity modem or gateway and wait about 30 seconds at least. Ideally, make sure to wait from 2 to 3 minutes. This will help the modem recognize the Orbi router correctly. Then you would like to connect your Orbi router using an Ethernet cable. Just connect your Ethernet cable or modem internet port into the yellow internet or WAN port to the Orbi router. Then you'll have to turn everything back on. The process is basically turn the modem first, then the router next. So start with your Xfinity modem, wait until the modem is fully online, then power on the Orbi router and give it some several minutes to finish booting. Then you would like to install the Orbi application. Just install it, open it up, then set up the new system. Once you open it, your Orbi network will be detected in your phone. You'll just have to set up the new system and follow the instructions on the app. Once you're done with that, inside your Orbi app, you can choose your Wi-Fi name and password and finish all the setup from the application itself on your phone, and your devices will now connect to the Orbi Wi-Fi directly. And of course, if you do have an Xfinity gateway, you can log into the gateway and enable the bridge mode if you want, because this should prevent for you double NAT and Wi-Fi conflicts and router interfering. If you don't enable the bridge mode, Orbi will usually still work, but networking issues can sometimes occur. But it's just an optional thing to add. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.